Welcome to the installation guide video for ROBOTC 4X. During this video, we are going to cover how to download your building license file, install ROBOTC, and install your building license. Refer to the email you received from ROBOTC. If you select this link, it will open a PDF copy of step-by-step instructions. You may want to use these instructions to help guide you in the process. Step 1. Download the building license file. Refer back to the email you received from ROBOTC. Listed here is your license ID and password. We will use this information to log into the license portal and download the building license file. Select this link to go to the license portal. Enter your license ID and password from the email you received and log in. Select Licenses and Activations. Select ROBOTC for VEX PLTW and download license file. The license file will download. It is very important to not open and edit this file with a text editor or change the name of the license file in any way. Once the file is downloaded, you can copy it to a portable or network drive to move it from computer to computer. Step 2. Install ROBOTC 4X. Refer back to the email you received from ROBOTC and select the link to download ROBOTC 4X. This will download the most current version of ROBOTC 4. Once the download completes, run the executable. Select Yes if prompted, and the installation process will begin. Select Next and progress through the on-screen prompts. Step 3. Install the building license file. Open a File Explorer with the building license file available, and open a second window and navigate to Computer, C Drive, Program Files x86, RoboMatter INC, C Development Environment 4X. Right-click on your building license file and select Copy. Right-click in the ROBOTC development folder and select Paste. Select Continue if prompted. Refer back to your desktop and right-click on ROBOTC 4X and run as an administrator. And ROBOTC will launch. From here, go to Help and Manage Licenses. Here, you can verify that your building license file successfully installed. Thank you for watching this video. If you need further assistance, please email technicalsupport@pltw.org or call 1-877-335-7589 and ask for technical support.